Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up at the bottom, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified of all my new videos in the future. Today I am sharing with you my Sephora Play box that just arrived in the mail today. Usually looks like this. Sephora Play subscription box is $9.99 per month. It does include shipping, and you do get points, towards your purchases every time. You get like 5 deluxe samples, I believe, and then a bonus fragrance. So I actually haven't looked into this in depth. I kind of took a peek to see if there's anything I could maybe try out on camera while we were going through everything. I think there's a lip product that we can try. So I'm going to open the box. You always get a pamphlet about the product, so I'm not going to really read through this yet because I kind of want to get surprised and see what we have, but I'll go through that afterwards. And you always get a sort of little bag. It's usually with a ribbon that you just kind of pull together. It says, "Beauty is my spirit animal." That's cute. And if you can hear my dogs in the background, they're kind of just making noises and playing on the bed. So don't mind that if it sounds interesting. So the first thing that I just pulled out randomly was the Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination. I already have this. I love it. This is one of my favorite concealers of all time. So I'll probably have this one for travel since it's a small size. So that's good. That's usually what I do with all of these from like Ipsy and Sephora. I have a stash so I can travel lightly. And let's see what else is in here. We have the Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector from Becca. I do have this as well. But not to say that this isn't a good poreless primer. So this is really, really good for those of you who have oily skin. It's kind of a learning curve though, so you want to put a little bit on your fingertips when your finger's warm. And just dab it in and kind of warm it with your fingers, just briefly. You don't want to take too long because it starts to get tacky. And then you want to press it into your pores. I usually press it around the nose and press it right here, and that's really all I do, and let it set and go on with the rest of my makeup, because if you use too much, it kind of has like a weird overcast on it. So kind of have to trial and error with that, but this is really, really good. I already use and love this as well. But I'm surprised that there was a Becca product. I haven't seen a Becca product in the Sephora Play yet. What else do we have? We have the Dr. Jart Premium BB Beauty Balm. Multi-action skincare and makeup with SPF 45. Ooh. This is light medium. Let's see if I can swatch this. I'm always looking for a really good BB cream. Wow. That looks and feels really nice. Trying to like blend it. There's not really a scent to it. Usually if it's a higher SPF, it smells really chemically or smells really bad, but this one doesn't. And it feels very hydrating. It kind of just dissolves onto my hand. So this hand has it, this hand doesn't. See the coverage? It's pretty good coverage, so I'm excited to try that out. Maybe I'll do a wear test on that as well, so stay tuned for that. I haven't actually tried anything from Dr. Jart, so I'm excited to try that out. Let's see what else we have in here. We have a hydrating hair balm. This is from IGK. It's a leave-in conditioning balm that melts into lengths and instantly boosts hydration. Interesting. So it's a leave-in, but it's a balm. So that's something I'm actually not familiar with, so I'll have to update you on this. I see some little sample packets of Bumble & Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. So this is the free of sulfate cleansers. So it says it has 6 feather-light oils to help soften, silken, tame, defrizz, detangle, and protect for dry hair and dry to very dry. So I always like these as well because these are really, really good to travel with. So I'm always happy to get those. the last thing in here, oh, so we don't have a fragrance this time. That's different. That's really different. Usually there's a fragrance. This is the Sephora Rouge Cream Lip Stain. Let's see what color they gave me. Ooh, I hope it's this purple one. I have a lot of reds, and I'm not much for nudes. Let's see. Purple's my favorite color, so let's see. Don't wanna like break it. Yep, I got the purple. It says it's number 35, Bohemian Purple. And then there's like a little picture, and then they have a few pictures of the other shades that they have. I actually heard that the cream lip stain's pretty good. Let's see. Go ahead and try this out for you guys on camera. Let's zoom you in. It smells just like any other liquid lipstick. It's very creamy. You can kind of smell it still. I don't know what it smells like. I think it's trying to be like a vanilla or like a cupcake type of smell, but it smells like chemicals to me, but that's usually how most of the cream like stains are. It is very, very creamy. All right, and it's not dry. Well, it is dry, but it's not like, it feels like it kind of just melted into my lips. So that's nice for like a matte liquid lip to do that, because usually they're really, really drying. Let's see what this little pamphlet has to say about some of the things that I'm not familiar with. So you always get a Beauty Insider card that you can take off, and when you're at Sephora, when you're checking out, you just give it to them. They give you 50 extra points towards, you know, if you're familiar with Sephora points and the reward system, the more points you have, they have different levels. It's like 100 points, 250, I think 500, and each category you can pick something. Usually it's deluxe samples, full-size stuff. It just depends. So this is $50. This is like $50 worth, because you get a point for every dollar, I believe, unless you're like up certain levels. Gives you like a game type of thing, it looks like. And then it says you can also get complimentary mini makeover too with your card. So this card's for March. Get a free mini makeover plus 50 extra Beauty Insiders points with any purchase. So that's another perk for doing this subscription box. And then, like I said, kind of goes through all of the different products, kind of telling you a little bit more about it, maybe how to use it as well. The one that I'm interested in is the Backstage Balm, because that's so different. It says it's an ultralight balm that uses coconut oil to detangle, repair, and smooth your strands. Keeps your dew frizz-free all festival long. And you can add shine on the top of curls by smoothing a pea-sized amount through styled mid-lengths and ends. So there's coconut oil in it, so I'm excited about that. If you guys know or you watch my channel, I love coconut oil. I don't know, I just do. And then the lip that I'm using, it says it's a silky lip stain in a deep purple shade that doesn't require reapplication. So, I feel like it's dried down. This really reminds me of Maybelline, the one that I just reviewed for you guys. Where is it? This looks like the same color. This is Maybelline's Envisionary. It's their matte ink, the Superstay. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. But this is a purple also. I'm going to compare them just so I can see how they look side by side. Where is it? It's like really tiny. Like, look at that. This one has a better smell, the Maybelline one. Let's see. Guys, this is like almost the same color. The Maybelline one's just a tad darker. So Maybelline's up here, Sephora lip cream's down here. kind of similar, I guess. I don't know. I'm just happy I have some more purples to play with. So I'm going to be doing the Sephora play every single month. So as soon as I get it, I'll go ahead and make a video for you guys so you can see what's in this month's box. If you're interested in learning more about Sephora Play or want to sign up, I'm going to link the information down below. And you guys can click on the link, check it out. But let me know if there's any other subscription boxes that you guys want me to test out or try out. So this is the first of hopefully many to come. And I hope you guys enjoyed my Sephora Play unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in the next video.